Geezer! I'm gonna show you how a real geezer pulls a bird.
How the fuck are you gonna pull a bird? Look, where the fuck are the birds?
Don't you worry.
You're so fucking stupid, it's unbelievable. I have to fucking pull a bird.
Wait,
How'd you pull a bird? Come on in.
I've been watching Dapper Laughs.
Tell the fucking audience how you pull a bird.
A geezer, like Dapper Laugh, this say pull a bird. You walk up to a girl, alright sweetheart. Then she should say something along the lines of what's the girl?
Fuck off, you mug, probably.
What are you talking about, mate? Look at me, I've got that good looking thing going on.
Looking thing? You look like fucking Rain Man. How's that good looking? You look like him and you fucking sound like him and all.
What are you talking about, son? I sound like a geezer.
Yeah, alright. Where the fuck was you before I come along? You only sound like that because you're trying to fucking sound like me. Talk in your normal voice and show the fucking people what you sound like.
This is my normal voice. Fucking...
This is my normal voice.
I do not sound like that. But anyway, I'm more of a geezer than you. I went down the pub the other day and watched the Chelsea versus... who were they playing? You know, that foreign team. And, you know, Lampard, he was like key player, mate.
Lampard don't play for Chelsea anymore, bro.
Oh, no, I meant Hazard. Hazard, yeah. Yeah, he's a good player.
And who scored for Chelsea?
Peter Cech.